Hello everybody. Today we're going to do trash to treasure. And maybe some people wouldn't think they were trash, but I've had these things around the house for a while, so to me, I wanted to make something new out of them. And the first thing I started with was these blocks that had words on them. They're in lots of stores. And what I did was just sand it off. Doesn't take long till it's off. And dust them off. And I did this one. This is a completed one. And I took two scraps of wood and glued them together and stapled them, and then put a candle ring or candle cup on this. You can put like little bouquet of flowers in here too if you want to, or you could take your Cricut or whatever you have and write a word down here. Okay, the next one was white, and I had blocks that had letters on them that I didn't want anymore. So I'm going to put the block ones flat so they sit on the table like this, and with that I'm going to use the nail gun now. Okay. I think 2 is all I need. That sets up straight. And here are our pair of candles. You could paint them the same color, or put a hole in this one and hang it on the wall, or whatever. I think they're kind of cute though, and it's just all scrap or things you don't want anymore. So, okay, on my next trash to treasures, the wood TV trays. Well, the legs broke on mine, and so what I did is threw the legs, well no, I actually cut the legs out. I painted this and then distressed it, and then on the front I painted it 3 times with chalkboard paint. It's kind of dusty, but to hang it, I thought, you could hang this by the back door or somewhere, leave a note. Okay, I'm going to take my drill and drill 2 holes in the top of this. got the jute through it, and if you wanted this shorter, you could have it shorter, but it's real simple to make. You don't have to throw the whole thing away when the legs break, but leave this, hang this by the back door so your kids have a message when they leave. And on the last one that I had this piece of board left from a project, and I should have used a different color, but on my Cricut I made grateful and thankful, and I think it shows up pretty good. But I'm taking just a small piece of burlap, and I'm just using a glue stick because I think that will hold it. And putting that beside the words. And to honor our Father, I put a cross. Okay, that's all I have for you today. But I would appreciate if you like my channel and like my video. And till the next time, God bless. Bye.